In today's video, we are going to unbox this Masterbuilt extra large turkey fryer, and then I'm going to teach you how to fry a delicious turkey from beginning to end. If that's something that you'd be interested in, stay tuned and I'll be back right after this. Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today, like I said, we'll be unboxing this Masterbuilt extra large turkey fryer. I'm so excited because I have been using my old one for so long and I finally got the new one. But before we get started, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. All right, let's get straight into it. Right now, I am just opening it up for the first time with my box cutters, and we're going to see what's inside of this bad puppy. All right, as I pull it out, it's packaged very well. It's going to have a lot of things going on with this, so we're going to go ahead and unpackage it, take out the styrofoam and the cords and all of that, get it all washed up and get it ready for frying our turkey. Yes, I was a little scared there because I didn't see the instructions, but they had fell on the floor. There they are. All right, we got instructions. All right, now we can really get started. All right, so upon opening the mechanism, everything was packed very neatly. This looks like it's going to be a beautiful piece of machinery. It had the basket, that is the heating mechanism. So like I said, we're going to get all this stuff out. That is where the plug actually gets plugged into. We're going to get all this stuff out, and then we're going to clean our machine thoroughly before we get started. This is where the oil cap comes off, where you can drain your oil when you finish frying your turkey. All right, guys, so I've actually pulled out the part that holds the turkey to show you a little bit of how the mechanism drains. You're going to go over to the side and just pull off this cap, and the nozzle has a turn holder that will let you drain the oil, which I will show you guys a little bit later after we fry our delicious turkey. So now we are ready to fill our turkey fryer with oil. For a turkey, we are going to fill it to the maximum. So you're going to take your oil. I'm just using regular vegetable oil. You can use whatever oil you like. Most people use peanut oil, but unfortunately my husband and son are allergic. So we use vegetable, and guess what? Everybody loves the turkeys just fine. I've never used peanut oil before, but maybe one day I will when they're not going to eat the turkey, but I can't do it for that. All right, so make sure it is filled to the line. It usually takes about 2.5 gallons to fill up your turkey fryer. All right, guys, now it's time to fire this bad puppy up. So let's take out our power cord, and then the power cord came with the box and then had the turkey puller. That's how you pull the turkey out. And then it had also this nozzle, which is going to make it easier for us to drain our oil after we are done. All right, so let's plug it up. This is a magnetic plug. Take the heating mechanism and put it on. It slides right in toward the side, as you will see. Now take your cord, the magnetic cord, and it'll kind of tell you if you're on the right side or not, because it'll just slip right in, and then we're going to plug it directly into the wall. Don't worry, guys, I did move my table over closer to the wall. My old turkey fryer did go up to 400. So this is kind of weird because it only goes up to 375, but that just means you have to cook your turkey a little longer. So now we're just going to go ahead and heat up this turkey fryer. Let's get started on prepping our turkey. You are going to only need 3 ingredients to make this the most delicious fried turkey that you've ever had. First, you're going to need your Tony Cacheries. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Butter injectables, which is basically like $3.50 from Walmart. Next, you're going to need your Tony Cacheries Creole seasoning. Not really sure how much this one costs, but they have a large size and they have a small size. Small size we usually do one whole turkey. The third ingredient is spray butter, and I don't know why I omitted this from this whole video, but you will be spraying your turkey with spray butter before you put the seasoning on. But first we're going to get started in injecting our bird. So you want to shake up your Tony Chachere's real good, and then you're going to put it into your injectable that actually comes with the package, and then you'll start with injecting the whole bird. Spray the injector with a little bit of butter, and then you'll just go ahead and put your injector into the sauce. But first, that I mentioned, we cleaned this bird very thoroughly, so now we're drying it off with a paper towel. But make sure you clean your bird very thoroughly, and make sure that you have taken out all the giblets, which is the gizzards, the hearts, everything that was inside that turkey, and the neck. Go ahead and fold your wings back. Keep drying the turkey. Reach in there, make sure there is nothing in there. You see there's some more giblets and stuff in there. Get all that out and dry your turkey with the paper towel. All right, so really now we are ready to go ahead and inject our turkey. So you're going to go ahead and put the injector in it and pull back, and you have your sauce. Now you go ahead and put it in one spot, and then just go ahead and rotate it all around. So you're going to do your breast, you're going to do your thighs, you're going to do your wings, you're going to do the legs. You're going to do every part of that turkey until that bottle is gone. Fully inject that turkey. After spraying your bird with the turkey spray, we are ready to season our bird. We are not going to spare any expense. You are going to fully cover this turkey with this seasoning. But guys, I want to tell you the seasoning is very powerful and very strong. So you might want to put on a mask before you start seasoning your bird, or you will start sneezing. But like I said, trust me, cover the whole bird with this seasoning. You can thank me later. All right, so now you want to put your bird in the fryer pan, the basket, that they came with, and we're going to get ready to drop our turkey. I'm going to put a little bit more seasoning on because I'm telling you, the more seasoning, the better. You're going to trust me. If you like turkey skin when it comes out that fryer, ooh, you're going to love this. Make sure you put on your gloves, people. We are about to drop this turkey with the tool that was put in the box. Okay, the green light has come on the turkey fryer, which means we are ready to drop our turkey. Like I said, there's the dropper. Make sure you got your gloves. And then depending on your table size, you might want to get a little stool because you want to be over the turkey fryer when you actually drop the turkey. You don't want to be level to it. You want to be over it. So get you a little stool and let's get to dropping this turkey. Now, drop it low and very, very, very slowly because you do not want that grease to pop out. So we're going to just drop this turkey super slowly into the basket. Yeah, there we go. That's the stuff. That's the stuff that's going to get this turkey, ooh, extra juicy, extra good, all of that. So, yep, now that it's all the way down, you can release your holder, let that lid drop. When I say lid, I mean, I'm sorry, not the lid, the handle. Let that handle drop into the grease. There we go. Release it. I was having a little problem, but that's okay. We're going to get it. We're going to get it. There you go. Now drop the lid. And this turkey, depending on the size of the turkey, this one is going to go about 1 hour and 15 minutes. I think it was an 18-pound turkey. After about 1 hour and 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and check our bird. So you want to have a thermometer. I just have a regular thermometer. You can use whatever kind you like. But you want to make sure you put it in that breast and it reads 165. You could kind of check around, but you don't want to pierce your bird too much. So once I checked that breast, it was almost at 165, but I wanted it to go a little bit longer. So we're going to make that turkey go about 5 more minutes, and then it will definitely be ready to take out. Now, 5 minutes later, the star of the show is ready to come out. She is crispy, she is brown, and she is beautiful. So once again, I'm going to check that temperature, make sure it's at 165. This is an 18-pound turkey. This is actually my side hustle, guys. I fry turkeys on the holidays. So I had to fry about 7 to 8 turkeys today. I have 3 turkey fries, but this is my first extra large, which is able to fry up to a 20-pounder. And now I'm going to show you our home turkey. It's only 3 of us, so we didn't need a really big turkey. But this just takes about 45 minutes in the deep fryer. And I'm going to cut into this bird and show you how delicious and juicy it is. Ooh, we see how she slices like butter. Perfectly seasoned, perfectly done, hot and piping. It is taking everything in my power not to go ahead and tear into this turkey. You can see how the marinade was easy, and the injectable marinade glides through the turkey. Oh my goodness. I think I am going to sneak a little piece of turkey, but I just want to show you guys. Look at that moist, juicy turkey right there. Woo! All right. So now I think this is where I go ahead. I can't resist it, guys. I gotta eat a piece. I'm the cook. I gotta eat a piece. I've been frying turkeys all day. What you expect? All right, so it is the next day and the oil is cool. You want to make sure that the oil is nice and cool. You're going to unscrew your mechanism, and then you're going to screw on the spout, turn your little nozzle at the top, and now you can drain your oil. I love this because the oil drains out nice and smooth with the little spout, and it's very neat and tidy. Towards the end of draining, you probably are going to have to tip it over a little bit, but that's only when it gets all the way down to the bottom. So that was it. These are the 2 things of vegetable oil. It was a little bit more oil, but I had to pour that into something else because I didn't have another container. And this is how it looks after I cleaned it. It was very easy to clean. Put all the components back where they were, and that is it. That is the end of the demo. I would rate this out. I love it because I was used to the old one that had a glass top. The steam would come out of the glass top and water and oil residue would be everywhere. But this Masterbuilt is designed where it collects the extra evaporation in these little compartments. So you do have to clean them out. This one was fairly full of water and a little mix of oil, but it's wonderful because oil does not get all around your kitchen. So, yep, we're good to go. I want to thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. All right, guys, enjoy.